This is the digital incubator. The outer body is made from MS steel and the inner chamber is made from SS stainless steel. This is the control panel of digital incubator. It has one switch for the mains. The second switch is for the fan for the uniform, and the two lights. The green light is for the mains and the red light is for the load. And this is the PID controller. This PID controller, we need to set the temperature. Let's set the temperature to 50 degrees. So click the set button. Now you will see 100. Now decrease by using up and down keys. Now press set button to confirm. Now this digital incubator is set to 50 degrees and you can see load light is on. After some time, the temperature of this incubator will get increase and this incubator will maintain the temperature. Now let's open the window and see what we have inside. करो बंद.